Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing and having a look at a true wireless headset from Oppo. This is the new Oppo Enco W11, and this unit I purchased it from Oppo Malaysia at a introductory price of about $22, about 20 US dollars, which is just under 100 ringgit Malaysia. So now in terms of the box alone, very simple box. Let me just show you some of the features. It's got binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission. Basically what it means is your device will connect to both headsets together instead of one and then piggybacking on the other one like most basic headsets. It's got 20-hour battery life. It's got noise reduction, and what I really was looking forward to is the IP55 water and dust resistance. Not every headset has this, and the touch control seems to be quite intuitive. So let's do an unboxing. So I've not opened this yet, so let's just have a look, see what's inside. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this. So the headset is already in the case. Let me just take this thing out. Let's see what else is in there. Right, quick start guides. Charging cable, and this one uses USB type C, so this is actually a advantage. Pretty short cable though, but still it's USB type C. And then the other side would actually be the ear tips. So this would be small and large. I think they have fitted the medium one, but let's see. Okay, I'm going to leave the box aside. Okay, so let's look at the headset itself. Let me remove this plastic thing, and let's see. So let's try out pairing the headset. So I've got my Pixel 3 XL here, and let's see if we can just connect it via Bluetooth. Let me just turn on. So Bluetooth is on. I'm going to say pair. Now I haven't opened the case yet, so I don't think we can find the device. I've read online that it only gets visible once the cover is actually open. So nothing just as yet. So let me just see if I can open the cover. There we go. So it's the Oppo Enco W11. So let me just try to pair this. Okay, I'm not going to allow access to my contacts. So I'm going to say pair. Right, so it shows me battery levels and active. So this is connected on Bluetooth. So now it's actually connected. So if I close the cover, let's see what happens. So it actually switches off Bluetooth when I close the cover. This is actually quite useful, and which means that, you know, once you turn on, open the cover, your Bluetooth headset is already paired, and that's actually quite good because it will be faster for you to get access. So okay, so this is connected now. So let's have a look at the headset itself. So I'm just going to move this aside for now. Put this here. Now the headset, very unassuming. The case is fairly small, and you can see like it's actually got magnets, so it doesn't drop off, and it's basically charged via USB-C cable. Basically some notes at the bottom, right? Now the case feels good. It's a little bit weighty to it, which actually feels high quality. and the headset itself. Right, so this is quite good because it actually labels it right and left, and there's 2 charging points, and because of the asymmetry, you can't actually swap between positions. So let's take these 2 things out. This is my right hand, which is the right earbud, and then this is the left earbud. Okay, let me just, and the ear tips are interchangeable, so that's quite good. I would think that I could actually use it inside the case though. Okay, well, let's see. Let me just leave it in the case. Alright, let me just turn this thing on. Okay, let's basically go to our music player. Alright, now right earbud, left earbud, and then I think I can just touch. Let me just do this. Right, I've got 2 fingers. I'm gonna tap. That's playing. I will take it out, don't I? Okay, so let me just take this thing out. Okay, leave this aside. Okay, so right and left. I'm just gonna move this in the middle. So if I tap to pause, tap to play. Let me just make sure that. Okay, so even on, that's the right earbud, tap to pause, tap to play, left earbud, tap to pause, tap to play. Now the right earbud, double tap to go to the next song, double tap to go to the next song. The left earbud, double tap to go back, double tap to go back to the previous song, double tap to go back to the previous one, double tap to go forward, double tap to go backwards. And that is very intuitive. Now there's also volume control. So for volume control, you basically press and hold. Oops, let me just hold this carefully. Now the right earbud is to increase volume, so you just press and hold. You can see the volume going up. And then the left earbud, if you press and hold, volume goes down. And there's also a triple tap to call up assistant. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Right, there we go. Okay, so let's recap the controls again. Both right or left. One tap to pause, 1 tap to play, so you can mix between left and right, it doesn't matter. Tap to pause, tap to play. Right earbud, double tap to move forward, double tap to move forward. Left earbud, double tap to move backwards, double tap to move backwards. Right earbud, press and hold to increase volume slowly, it goes up a bit by bit. Left earbud, double tap, press and hold to decrease volume, it goes down bit by bit. And on any earbud, you can just triple tap 1, 2, 3. I gotta get my timing correct. 1, 2, 3. That's 4, I think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, so you do a triple tap on any earbud to call up assistant. Okay, so let me just try out the sound quality. Sound quality is actually pretty good. Tap to pause. I'm just gonna move this aside. Let me just open the box. So it's still being paired. So once I drop this in, okay, still connected, and once I close this, it gets disconnected, and you can leave the Bluetooth on your phone on, and then when you want to use the headset, you just have to open it, and then it almost instantly gets paired. There we go. Now I have actually used budget wireless earbuds before, and a lot of the, I would call, OEM brands doesn't connect so fast, and according to the feature list, this is actually a binaural connection, basically meaning that each earbud connects to the phone simultaneously. A lot of the cheaper OEM earbuds basically connects to the right one, and then the left earbud actually piggybacks on the right ear set or headset. So this is actually a lot better, and the sound is actually a lot better. Now just close this. This is it's got a little bit of weight. It's not heavy by any means, so it feels high quality, and the very shiny surface of the headset box or the case looks really good. Now, and I can't show you at the moment because I don't have a charger brick nearby, but once you connect it, there's actually a charging indicator light that turns on. I think it's orange while charging. So overall, very happy with this purchase. Now I will say, like, I was actually looking at mainstream brands like the Jabra or the Samsung or the Apple ones, but at about $20 US, this is a real steal. I mean, considering that the Samsung one costs at least $100 US, and I mean, don't even go to Apple level. The Apple headset is a lot more expensive. I particularly like the control. It's very intuitive and very simple. These are not buttons. These are just touch sensitive surface. So with a touch, you can skip forward, backwards, control volume, even call up assistant. So this is actually really good. Okay, so this is a very initial unboxing. Let me just see if I can. So this is a very quick initial unboxing and review of the Oppo Enco W11 true wireless headset, and I'll give you more thoughts in the comments below. So if you got any questions, you can ask me in the comments below as well. Okay, thank you.